While doing a service rotation change, we put this pump on the test stand and heard a strange noise. That rattling shouldn't be there. Let's see what the problem could be. Our first isolation of the problem is to swap out the control. After changing the control at 900 RPM full flow, it is still making the noise. When troubleshooting, we always isolate into smaller problems before having to take the entire unit apart. What is causing the noise? And what is the problem? John, a Lifco engineer, hadn't heard anything like this before. Since changing the control was not the fix, engineering advised to take the pump off the test stand and to get it onto a vise to be taken apart and inspected further. We thought to ourselves, we did change the rotation from counterclockwise to clockwise. Is it something we did? We took the top assembly apart, taking off the port block gasket all the way to the barrel and auxiliary shaft assembly. We are trying to focus on the rocker cam and stroking assembly. Trent, our junior mechanic, calls Willie in, an experienced senior mechanic, to take a look. They notice that there's a defect in the rocker cam. Engineering steps in.
No, it's heading somewhere. I see a damage in the cradle.
The pistons are put back on and they try to force air to move the cradle. It seems to be hitting somewhere, almost as if there's damage in the cradle. The barrel is put back on, yet we still hear some knocking when the shaft is spun. The problem is in there, but is it an issue?
No.
Engineering sees the cam is full of gulling and recommends replacement. We replaced the rocker cam and proceeded with reassembling the pump.
Hold it. I don't hear nothing.
It is now ready for the test bench. We got the pump up and onto the test bench and ran the tests. The pump ran as it should. The sound was still noticeable, but went away at 1800 RPM. This isn't the conclusion we had hoped for either, as we're still unable to pinpoint the exact cause of the noise. We see a lot of gold cups in our shop, and we got the official word from our senior engineering team. The pump operates fine, noises come and go without any effect on performance or longevity, good to return to our customer. And this is why we test.